Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper caladium plant. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find all the supplies and the template linked below the video. And this is a print and cut file, so you will need to print the pattern on your printer first. On a blush cardstock paper is what I suggest. And then you could have it hand cut for those that don't have a cutting machine, or have it cut on your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. It also comes with 3 different versions, so mix and match with different versions and also change up the size to make some bigger or some smaller than the suggested size I have for you. After you have it cut, use Mod Podge, and I'm using a part of a sponge that I cut off from a bigger brush, but you could use the standard brush size I will link below. And stroke it along the printed lines. These strokes will show as a texture, so make sure to stroke it in the right direction you like, and this should take about 30 minutes to fully dry. Once it is dry, you will need to shape it by folding it in the middle, and similar to a fan fold, but instead of folding it, you will need to curve some in and curve some out. And this should give you a ruffled, wavy effect, and then curl some of the edges out. Then grab the bottom piece and add white glue. Then add your floral wire and glue that on the back side. You will need to hold this down until the glue is fully dried. Then curl the leaf back and get a thicker floral wire stem and floral tape both the floral wire together. I like to add it a little lower than the leaf and then pull the metal floral wire to closely meet the thicker floral wire. I'll be making a total of 5 leaves to plant in my pot, but you could add more or less. To pot these, you'll need styrofoam and some rocks in a planter, and then add your leaves, some shorter and some taller. I also wanted to show you them in a small vase that I'll be putting in my bookshelves. You could also find different paper plant tutorials that I'll be linking below for you that you could pair these with. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.